yung sarili mo lagi. Yes.
Um, on your journey of finding yourself and loving yourself and choosing yourself, I'm sure you lost a lot of people along
Yes.
the way. How did you deal with that?
I think I've healed. Slowly but surely, I've healed. But I'm not gonna say that, shucks, galing mo doon. I'm not, pag nagmahal kasi ako, nagmamahal talaga kasi ako. Hindi ako yung tipong, my image on social media is different from who I truly am. Kasi, homebody ako eh. Kaya niloloko niyo ako na matulog ako dito. Kaya kong maiwan sa bahay ng matagal kasi sa bahay lang talaga ako. So, kung sino man yung mga kasama ko, mahal ko talaga sila. Yun na nga eh, kahit I'll buy you the world just to make you happy. Just be with me, stay with me. Ganun ako. So, super sakit. And it was really hard. Pero, when I saw the reason behind and why may mga certain people, let's say kahit sa high school mo, na outgrow mo sila, or may mga an ex-boyfriend, di ba? Kailangan yun mawala sa buhay mo kasi kailangan mo mapunta kung saan ka dapat at hindi na sila kasama doon. Whether kung ano man yun, whether para sa'yo or para sa kanila, may mga iba-iba